I always got to have a rooster crowing in the video, but anyways, I wanted to take the time and show everybody how they sharpen their hoe for gardening in Eastern Europe over here. What you'll see here is this section here where the paint's missing. Is they take a hammer and they'll lay it on a piece of railroad steel, an anvil, or just a vise, like what I have it in here. They'll lay it right here, and then they'll take this end of the hammer and they'll beat it to where it's almost paper thin. After that, they'll either use a rasp file like this one. My father-in-law put this hoe here on the bench grinder and sharpened it after he beat it thin. Or you can use a Dremel. But anyway, that's how they sharpen their hoes over here. And I want to try and give a demonstration on just how sharp this is. I mean, this right here, this is as sharp as a fillet knife. So I want to try and run this paper down here. Let's see. Let me trade hands out here. So I got it on the edge here, and I want you to watch it just rip this paper like it's nothing. If I can get it to slide and cut here. Well, let's try it this way. There. There. Look at that. Just cut it right in two. So there you have it. Hoe sharpening, Eastern Europe. Thanks for watching.